Go to the healthy.arkansas.gov website. Click Apply Online. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Patient Registration. Enter in the required information and register your account. Log into your newly established account. At the top of the screen, click Applications. Select Arkansas Patient Application. Completely fill out the required fields. Upload an image taken on your phone of the physician's written certification and your state-issued photo identification. Below your signature, you will fill out the boxes below exactly as it is on your physician's written certification. Select the Pay option and remit the fee using a debit or credit card. It can take some time for your card to be mailed to you. However, you can still print off your temporary card when it's done being processed and use it at a dispensary. We recommend checking in after a week, with the average wait time for a new card being around 3 business weeks.